Hey guys, welcome to Thomas Reviews episode 8. Today we're reviewing this wooden railway handcar. So when I got this handcar, because I wanted a piece that can be used as scenery, right? Say right here for example. So now there's a dark blue version. Not a red version because I want to get the dark blue version. Use these cars for like regular minifigure. Let's see if regular minifigure works. Let's just take this figure for example. Take this figure for example. Let's see if he will fit super cute. See if he clips on. And that. That right there, guys. Look at that. I put a person on there. Yes, right. So, that was enough fun. So, why did I decide to get this mill? So, why did I decide to get this handcar? Why? Because this handcar was in this package. So, I got a handcar so I can use it for set dressing. Use this, so when I get like another of these, and I make like a little box, a little box car cover right here. When you like see like it hopping up and down, so like when I buy another one, I'm like buy a unpainted wooden railway. Designer wooden railway pack off of eBay. I might turn two of the cars into by using red paint into the red branch line coaches and the tankers and two custom standard tankers. I turn one into another to the milk and another one into. I'm gonna buy like 4. I'm gonna buy like 3, so I can have 4 tar tankers. 3 custom tar tankers and 3 custom tankers. I'm gonna have like 6 custom tankers. 3 custom tankers. One with oil. So why did I try to get this car? As much of it steadily. Number 9 is steadily. So why did I try to get this? Because this is by the way number 8, but by the way I'm willing to release the recycling cars review with Charles and Thomas's footage. I'm gonna let him like talk about the item and the record part of the video so I can talk about it. I'm gonna do this to Thomas Engine 76. So I might like say what he says about this item and let's give it a test run right here with Stepney. By the way, when let's go. Okay, so I'm for the handcar. So this would be good for like a aquarium. So I'm gonna use this for my mega minifigures right here. I know that I have like a great passion for Lego as I do Thomas. By the way, Oliver, I think I got Oliver from a store that I got him from. I think that I found my wooden railway Oliver a couple of years ago from an old wooden railway scar and turned him to a custom Italian. The engine by using the feature I'm going to give Oliver Trackmaster push along wheels. So then when I do like a rear view, I get the blue one with red lining. I'm supposed to say like red lining, like red lighting I'd say there was a red version. I mean, there was a version of red writing, not yellow writing. This looks like something from the model series. This looks like something I'm going to use from a Home Gold remake. So when I want to make my own custom handcar, so I might buy another one of this, paint it black, and like I might buy more of these, so I can have like, I'm gonna buy like 900 handcars from people on eBay, so I can have like one. I'll let this handcar be seen on this set. Step me, the little engine. Good gosh, on the bear, the diesel. D109 had the diesel from the other railway that came. So that's it for this review. Bye, and like this is the longest video to date. So, what do I think about this? I think that you need to think this is a good item to get if you want some scenery pieces like this handcar. Of like, sorry that the handcar is blue on camera, but that's how it actually is. By the way, why is it green? I don't know, my phone light feels differently. You know, D109, he's different. Henry, I don't know. Oliver, the coercer handle. Rosie. Oh my gosh. That's it for this review. Bye!